In the 12th Congress of Autoimmunity in 28th of May 2021, in addition to all the, I would say, very emotional lecture that we will hear, we will have also a very interesting industrial exhibition. There will be session which will be dedicated to the common subject as well as novelties which the industries can supply us. We will have many industry sessions, but I would like currently to mention at least two. One of them is by the Thermo Scientific. It will be a systematic assessment of diagnostic accuracy for informed decision making in the clinical practice. We will have top people like Professor Boehringer, we will have Marco Schoyos, we will have Kevin Dean taking the place in Friday 28th of May between 3:30 and 5 o'clock. So I hope to see you in this diagnostic session. The second one will be by Boehringer Ingelheim, which will be a rethinking about the lung in the context of autoimmune rheumatic diseases. And we will have Professor Wong, we will have Professor Distler, an expert in systemic sclerosis, as well as Vincent Contin. This session will take place in May 30th between 12 and 1:30. So it will be extensive discussion of all the aspects of the involvement of lungs in different autoimmune rheumatic diseases. I hope to see all of you in this industrial session, which will expand our knowledge on top of the lecture that we will hear during the morning and the afternoons. So see you in these exhibitions.